Oh my God.
No way.
It's like pulling, babe. You guys, I'm barely touching this. This is like a Ouija board. It's moving on its own. Oh my God. Oh.
That's so cool.
Yes.
Oh my. You are a handsome devil.
This is my husband, Dean, and he is my human beauty guinea pig. Right, babe?
Yeah, sure am.
I'll explain. Coming up, we're gonna try out all these fun products. The family that masks together stays together. Wait till you see what I do with this.
Oh dear.
Get your mind out of the gutter. If you don't want to miss any future episodes of Tori Tried and True,
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.
True dat. What's Tori Tried and True is that I love to try beauty products on my hubby, Dean.
That's true.
Thanks, babe, for being my human beauty guinea pig. I love to try new products, like anything that's new, that's different, that's like gonna do this, gonna do that, lift, tighten, highlight, great. I try it all, and my hubby is nice enough that he lets me try them on him. This is something we do. It's kind of a little ritual, and it's nice. It gives you a little spa time. Aww. So this is from Dr. Brand, and it's Magnetite Age Defier, and it's a skin recharging magnetic mask. Sounds cool.
Sounds great.
Okay.
It's magnetized?
Yes.
Like,
You're gonna love
little
this.
bits of metal gonna fly
That's
up
right.
and stick to my face.
Feel the power of attraction.
So you could put this on my face, grab me by the back of the head, and stick me to the fridge.
I would never have thought to do that, but I guess I
could.
I could. And I open. Oh, it's my favorite part. I love putting stuff on you. Okay.
All right.
So.
Ooh, it's chilly. It's a little chilly, which is nice because.
I dropped it on your shirt.
Oh dear.
Oh God.
What exactly is this gonna do? Is it gonna exfoliate? Is it gonna moisturize?
It's gonna recharge your skin. Now, it's always a conundrum a little bit for me because girls don't have beards, so we do it all over our face. But you have a beard, so I'm always like,
You put some on my face. I like the smell of it. Like you're icing a cake.
With masks, you always want to go around the eye and not put it under the eye or over the eye.
Do you do it on the eyelid?
No. And you leave out the lip area. So I can show two types of masks. I'm gonna do half of your face in this mask and half in another mask. So I started doing this to him because I love to try beauty products. So I would try something and I'd be like, oh my God, it's so good. And I'd be in the bathroom at night trying it, and I'd come out and he'd be in bed and I'd be like, babe, I just tried this great mask. Can I try it on you? And he'd be like, yeah, sure. So we do it. And then it was so cute. You used to like the results, right?
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Ooh, you look pretty.
Really?
No.
Just a look?
Okay, we're gonna let that set. It comes with a magnet,
No
and this is
way.
how we're gonna take it off.
No way.
Oh yeah, just wait for it. So the other half of your face, we're gonna put a carbonated bubble clay mask. You like it? Sounds
like
good, right?
Oh, wait.
Why? Do you have an itch?
I have an itch.
You always have an itch when I apply beauty products.
Oh, that one's nice and cold. Oh, that's so refreshing.
Our kids love products. They get it from their mama. We always are trying like masks together. Like the family that masks together stays together.
It's so funny. I'll come home sometimes and all of them will have on those masks.
Yeah.
You know, if you didn't do this, I would never do any facial treatment stuff.
I know. I feel
I
like
think it's important for couples to do this because men will never moisturize and mask. So, ladies.
we can hear it. Oh my God.
You can totally hear
It's like Pop Rocks on your face.
Totally.
Shh. Sparkling. Oh, make.
Stop talking. I can't hear the
Makes
bubbles.
me want to have a Diet Dr. Pepper. Oh, we're supposed to let that sit 5 minutes.
Okay.
Ooh. So it's getting lighter in color, and it's turning actually from a thick mask into foam, like bubbling foam. Yeah, totally bubbles.
I gotta tell you though, it's itchy.
It's
'Cause of
itchy?
the bubbles, you feel the bubbles.
Yeah, it's like bubbling, and it's just like hydronating. No.
Hydronating? Is that a
It's
word?
just like bubbling, and it's like just doing this to your skin,
It's
hydrating.
hydronating.
Hydrating. I hate you.
Pretty. Women, do masks for your men, or they're gonna have horrible skin the rest of their life. Because we'll never do it.
They never do it for
Never do it.
themselves. And it's a nice treat that they don't even think they're gonna enjoy until you start doing it, and then you're always like, oh, that feels good. Women are like monkeys. We like to groom, you know? We like to. We're gonna let this side keep bubbling up and foaming up, and we're now gonna demagnetize you on this side.
I'm excited.
So it comes with a magnet. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I'm nervous.
I'm so excited about this part.
And now we're gonna. Oh my God.
No way.
It's like pulling, babe. It literally, you guys, I'm barely touching this. This is like a Ouija board. It's moving on its own. Oh my God. It's just grabbing to it.
That's so cool.
I'm not even touching you.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
That's so cool.
yes. It's like pulling. It's like, it's pull. This is the most satisfying thing I've ever done.
Oh, I want to see it.
Yeah, wait for it. Okay, cleaned it off.
Okay, ready?
Here
and
okay.
Go.
Here we go. It's gonna jump off at it.
Wow. Like I thought at least you'd have to scrape it along my skin.
Oh no.
But it just comes right off.
This is just flying right off.
So is it, I guess it's pulling dirt and oil and stuff out of your pores as well.
I don't know what it's doing, but I love it so much. I'm gonna do it on your entire body. This is gonna be a fun night ahead. Oh, I can do both sides of the magnet. I didn't know. I love this so much. We're doing this every night.
This will get it out of my beard. So this is a good thing for beards.
Yep, it's coming right out.
The magnet will take it right out of your beard.
This is like,
This is so cool.
it's the coolest thing I've ever done to you.
Can you imagine I get the whole hockey team like after a game?
Oh yeah, baby. Just clean you up. Oh my God! Dun dun dun! It's puffed up so completely. What's the mask? Half the mask? Night at the Opera?
Phantom of the Opera?
Phantom of the Opera! Yes, that's what you look
Remember
like.
the thing from the Magnificent Seven?
Yes, it does. It looks like fluffy mold. It's like this thick, you guys.
It's still bubbling. It's still
it's
bubbling.
itching?
I can still hear it. It's
Is
just
it bothering
itching.
you?
It's just itching from the bubbles, and yes, it is bothering me. Oh no,
wait a
actually
few
no, it's not. It doesn't bother me at all.
Okay,
I
let me
can do
take
this
it
for
off.
another round.
Okay, let's take this off. Ooh, bubbles!
Oh, you know what it reminds me of?
What?
Pork rind.
Crispy pork rind.
Pork rind.
Wow.
I tell you, my skin feels really refreshed.
Okay, so babe, your first instinct, like how does each side of your face feel? Magnet mask here, bubble mask here.
Okay, magnet side feels really clean and refreshed.
It's like glowing, yes.
The foamy side, the carbonated side, feels more hydrated and a little more wet, a little more heavy.
To the touch, your face feels like satin. Your face feels nice and tight.
Ooh. But yeah, it feels more. Oh, that's a tough call. Oh my, you are a handsome devil. I have to say, for a guy who has facial hair, the magnet mask is the way to go.
Because it takes it out of the hair. It's good. I could have put that over all of your beard. Oh, I'm gonna do a magnet mask all over your butt.
Okay, for the viewers, I don't have a hairy butt.
Now, it's really important, I think, to take care of your under eyes and your lips because they tend to dry out and you gotta hydrate them.
My lips get really dry and I never
So,
use lip balm or anything.
only the best for my babe. 24 karat gold eye treatment mask.
Ooh.
You're gonna love how this feels. Look, it has flecks of gold in it. Oh, did I drip it on you? Sorry. Oh my God.
Oh, it feels so good.
Oh, my Oscar. You're gold. Finally got an Oscar.
You get an Oscar.
And now we have your lip mask.
No, really?
Yeah. I won't stay.
Does it, because I have a beard? What? Let me see.
Shoot.
Let me see.
It's not staying. Why are you putting it in your mouth? I don't think you're supposed to do that. For the record, I don't think you're supposed to do that.
So that's why I went like that.
Oh my God. I'm trying to do it. It's not working. Put your lips together. Pucker. It's not working.
Because I have facial hair.
Is that why?
Yeah, see, that'll never stick to my face.
I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of these. I'm just saying. So this is for fuller lips in seconds.
Is this a plumper?
It's a plumper. Well, I gotta put on my reading glasses. I can't see the fine print. Clean your lip enhancer. Okay. For best results, wet the area around mouth and lips as it may help to provide better suction.
Is that going in my mouth?
What do you do with this? Simply place your full lips enhancer over the mouth area and begin to suck in gently. I can't make this up. As you suck the air out of the full lips enhancer, you will feel a gentle pulling of your lips into the enhancer. Start slowly until you're comfortable using the device. After about 15 to 30 seconds, you can remove the full lips enhancer using your finger to break the suction and check the progress. Your lips look fuller. Wait,
Right.
keep doing it. Repeat the above steps until the desired fullness is reached. Re-wet your mouth each time. Did you lick your lips? Okay, do it again. As you become more comfortable using your full lips enhancer, you can, I can't say full lips enhancer. And then look at that. This is dirty. Do not overuse your full lip enhancer or this can result in your lips getting sore and or bruised. Your lips are fuller. Oh my God, your lips are fuller.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Well, they are. They're redder, but they are a little fuller.
That works so well.
And
That's
great.
crazy.
There's no chemicals or anything. It's all natural. It just pulls blood into your lips.
That's a winner.
It works, guys.
That is Tori tried and true right there.
And you know, if guys get these, they're gonna figure out a way to make a keychain out of it. Just drill a little hole in there, put a little.
I thought he was going to say something else. Now I'm going to remove your eye patches. Those felt good.
Those are
didn't they?
very relaxing.
Okay,
Why
now
didn't you smell it?
I like smells. This is a snail jelly mask.
What is snail jelly?
Let me tell you right now. The snail secretion filtrate refreshes and hydrates skin with extracts
Okay, what
from natural ingredients. Okay,
what
so
is the snail secretion though?
you know when a
What part of the
snail
snail is it coming from? Is it the slime of the snail? Is it
yeah, so
snail
you know when a
poop?
snail
What is it?
moves, it leaves that like wet and then you scoop it up and they put it into a mask for your face.
That's sexy.
What if it's actually like snail poop or snail pee or like
Well,
snail vomit?
babe,
Snail
remember
snail snot.
Remember when we were in London? What did we have done? Bird poop on our face.
Bird poop masks and
bull semen
hair conditioner.
So, snail secretion? Bring it.
Clearly we like to try anything.
Yeah.
Try anything once. Ooh, this one is a sheet mask. I like sheet masks.
Want to hear a snail joke while you do this?
No. Yes.
Okay, a guy's sitting in his living room. He's watching the game. After a long day of work, there's a knock on the door. He's like, ah. So he goes and answers the door. He's looking, no one there. He looks down and there's a snail there. So he grabs the snail and he throws the snail down the hall as far as he can. Bloody snail. He goes back to watching the game. 6 months later, guy's watching TV again. The door knocks. He's like, ah. Goes and answers it. Looks down and there's a snail. Snail looks at him and says, what was that all about?
It took the snail that long to get back to him to say something 6 months later. I get it. This is taking me 6 months to unwrap.
Ooh, chilly.
Damn it, I gotta pull your nose down.
I like this.
Oh, you look like a snail's butt.
Did you-
Snail tracks? Wait. What? Sorry. Your hairy arms will just absorb all
The snail
the
secretion.
remnants. The sun is setting, so one more pampering treat before we go night-night. It's called the 5-toe moisturizing gel booties. Because if it was 4 toes, that wouldn't work. That is, why do they put that? And feet have 5 toes, but they have to write 5-toe moisturizing gel booty. Give me your toes. Okay. Oh my God. This is a sock. It's gonna moisturize.
Why do I need to moisturize in between my toes?
Oh my God.
Wow. No, it's like putting gloves on the kids.
Stick your toe in.
I'm trying.
Growing up being a manly man, I mean, my husband's an actor, but he also like
I'm a
adventure dude, like plays every sport. Like when you were out playing hockey, playing golf, did you think you'd come home and have a snail secretion mask on and a moisturizing toe booty?
No, not at all. I mean, not where I came from. There are guys out there that are more gruffer and tougher than I am, and they poo-poo face masks and pedicures and stuff. But if your better half does this for you, it's the best.
Okay, let's take your mask off while your foot booties are setting in. Let's do one final spritz. We have this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist.
My face is gooey.
It's gonna be super hydrating.
I'm not gonna lie, it feels like I had a bunch of snails on my face. That's really nice.
Oh my God, you smell it? You breathe in, it's this fine mist, and it's just a hint of watermelon.
Hit me. Slower. I'm not getting enough mist. Slow.
Okay.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. There we go.
Oh, it does work like this.
Yeah, see? There we go. That's really nice.
Note to oneself, take your time with the mist. I'm gonna put mine on.
Thank you, baby. These are awesome. These are really cool.
Thanks for being my human guinea pig.
My pleasure.
I love doing face products on you. Look, he likes it. He's into it. He's seeing how good he looks.
No,
See?
well, look at how shiny my skin is and alive it is.
Hey, if you don't want to miss things like this in any future episodes, make sure you subscribe to Tori Tried and True.
Subscribe, or we're gonna come to your house and put masks on your face.
Ooh. Put mask on.